In this lesson, we want to explain border effect. To do this, click on Effects. Here is a list of effects. We have two general modes for effect. Here are for when was photo capture or import into software and then apply it. And you can control at any time. So these effects are for after capturing. But in the main software, the same effects are exactly here in the effects section, as you can see. The only difference is when they are applied. These effects must be set before and applied during capture, but you can still change them. To get started, let's start with the main effects. Select a photo that has already been imported and click on the border effect to execute it. As you can see in the settings, you can change the color and the thickness in the width. If you want to apply this effect, click on apply, or you don't want it, cancel it. If you want to use this effect many times, add it to the list in quick effects. Okay, cancel it. The second way, run this effect in the main software setting. In its settings, there are exactly the same settings. Now, this effect is applied every time you capture. As you can see, I capture here and you can see the effect is applied. I recommended that you do not use this second way and apply the effect after capturing. It is much better. And you have more control on it.